crazy, and that's fine. We're having a lot of fun with this morning, so.
Yeah, that's really good. That's pretty good.
All right, the weather today. Hey, we didn't do it in the building. Oh, it's that. If you were not in the building, there'd probably be tornadoes outside.
That's right.
We're not gonna have the weather. Today, a lot of sunshine in the Asheville area. The 70 degrees, that 70 degrees now will probably come between 4 and 5 p.m. Greenville today, a couple of degrees warmer, 72 degrees. Most of the blue skies, Asheville tonight, 42 degrees. Greenville tonight, 48 degrees. Asheville next 7 days, we will see a best chance of rain coming our way. Wednesday, especially Wednesday evening, maybe a quarter of an inch of rain. Clearing out, cooling down for Thursday, Friday, rebound in the 70s. The rain chances this weekend look significant right now. Off and on showers and storms Saturday and Sunday. Many of us don't pick up a half inch of rain. Almost 6:21 right now. Expected traffic this morning. We've got all the time.
Hey Jay, and hello again everyone. We're looking equally nice on the traffic scene. We're accident-free for your Tuesday commute. We're wrapping up the pipeline construction project as well. Overnight milling and resurfacing is winding down westbound on I-40 to Washington Street for the next 45 minutes or so between exit 20 for Jonathan Creek and exit 15 for Fine Street as they roll back the barrels there. And drainage and slope work continues east of there on I-40 between Newfound Road and George's Branch. You'll be very careful for narrow lanes and lane shifts along the eastbound side, 2 miles east